Painting has always been so therapeutic for me that it is a way for me to forget and express. During my phase of depression and anxiety, it has always helped me to escape the reality, even just for a moment. It's a way of emotional release. And now when the whole world is fighting the uncertainty, let's use this tool to have some mental peace. As someone has rightly said, orators will speak, authors will write, musicians will play, artists will paint. So find the artist in you. Who are you? I encourage you all to invest some time with your true self. Who knows, you may meet your peace there. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like it, then please hit the like button, comment down and subscribe. I will see you soon. Take care. Bye bye.